What if one compact machine could handle the jobs that slow everyone down? This is TYPHON TYRANT X, built for speed, control, and real productivity. Under the hood, you've got a Briggs Stratton gasoline engine, pushing 13.5 horsepower at 3,600 RPM, clean, dependable power for daily work. Stay cool, stay powerful. Split hydraulic oil cooler releases heat faster for steady hydraulics all day. Grab like a hand. Hydraulic thumb clip clamps materials tight with the bucket for easy handling. With 1 ton operating weight, TYRANT X stays stable while loading, digging, and positioning. It's designed for practical performance. 1,650 mm max digging depth for trenches and footings. 2,495 mm max digging height for loading and cleanup. 2,400 mm max digging radius for wider reach without constant repositioning. Hydraulic performance is tuned for control, 18 liter per minute flow, and 16 MPa pressure, so movements feel smooth, precise, and confident. And when your job site isn't perfect, TYRANT X doesn't care. With 385 mm ground clearance, 180 mm tracks, and 30 climbing ability, it handles uneven ground and slopes with ease. Compact size, big convenience. 940 mm wide, fits through tight access points and works where larger machines can't. If you want a machine that's easy to bring, easy to run, and built to work, choose TYPHON TYRANT X. More control, more reach, more done every day.